In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo email account. We'll go from opening the site to landing in your brand new inbox, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. If you see a login form, look for the option that says Create Account. Click that to begin your setup. This takes you to a form where you'll enter your basic details. Type in your first and last name, then choose the email address you want. If the address is already taken, Yahoo will suggest alternatives. You can add a word, a number, or pick one of the suggestions. Create a strong password you'll remember, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Add your birth date and region, then continue to the next screen. Yahoo now asks for a mobile phone number so it can verify your identity and help you recover your account later. Enter a number you can access right now. If the number you use on WhatsApp is your main mobile line, you can use that here. Continue, and Yahoo will send a verification code by text or a supported messaging method. Check your phone for the code, then type it in on the website to confirm. If you don't receive it right away, wait a moment or resend the code and make sure your number and country code are correct. After your code is verified, you may be offered quick sign-in options like using your fingerprint or a passkey. A passkey lets you sign in with your device's built-in security, such as a fingerprint, face recognition, or device PIN, which helps protect you from password phishing. If you're on your own device, enabling this can make future logins faster and safer. If you're on a shared or public computer, skip this for now. You can always add it later from account security. When everything looks good, select Done. That's it. You've created your account. You'll land in Yahoo Mail where you can see your inbox, compose new messages, and manage folders. Take a moment to look for the settings gear to customize your theme, notification preferences, and signature. If you want, explore options to import contacts or let Yahoo give you a short tour of the interface. To recap, you went to Yahoo Mail, created an account, entered your details, verified your phone, chose sign-in options, and wrapped up with Done. Keep your recovery phone number current, sign out on shared devices, and pick a memorable but strong password. Enjoy your new Yahoo email, and happy emailing.